I'm Natalie Bartosh, and I work here at Bartosh Signs at my family's sign company. The company's been in operation since 1946.
Yeah, I strictly specialize in the production and maintenance of neon, manufacturing and maintenance of neon signs. And we start with simply bending the glass from a pattern.
Yeah, I'm very thankful for whoever's been has gone through that.
That's 15,000 volts.
My name's DJ Pauly. I work at Bartosh Signs. I've been here for about 9 years now, but I've been in the sign industry for almost 20. Us all the time with ideas of signs that they would like us to build for them, and we have to figure out a way to make it
a basic knowledge with wiring. It's not that hard.
Very simple. As far as that controller right there, that there was 12 of
10.
those, 10 of them in that Middletown Township shop that we did.